Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Learning Radiology. Then start our today's topic. Today's topic is MCU, means micturating cystourethrogram. Basically, three words which make MCU. First, micturation, cysto and urethrogram. Micturation means the act of passing urine, or called urination. Second word, cysto. Cysto denotes a bladder or sac or a cyst. Or third, urethrogram. It is an examination of urethra by X-ray imaging. Then we see MCU. What is definition and about MCU? MCU, or widening cystourethrogram, it demonstrates the lower urinary tract, which help to detect the existence of any vehiculourethral reflux, bladder pathology, and congenital or acquired anomalies of bladder outflow tract. It done in both male and female. Firstly, we see anatomy of male and female. First, about urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is it is a muscular reservoir of urine which lie anterior part of pelvic cavity, and its average capacity about 120 to 320 ml. And when urinary bladder is empty, then it's look like in tetrahedral shape, and when it is full bladder, then look like as a ovoid shape. Arterial supply of urinary bladder. Arterial supply by the superior vesical artery and inferior vesical artery, uterine and vaginal arteries in females. Venous drainage in vesical plexus. In case of male urethra is 18 to 20 cm long, and its prostatic part is 3 cm long, membranous part is 2 cm, and spongy part is 15 cm. Arterial supply in male urethra is common penile artery or dorsal artery, or venous supply through dorsal vein, internal pudendal vein, or circumflex vein. In case of female urethra, 4 cm long and 6 cm in diameter, arterial supply by the pudendal artery and venous supply by the pudendal vein. This thing also covered in previous topic RGU. Then next indication about MCU. In case of children, some indication are like UTI, widening difficulties like dysuria, thin stream, dribbling, frequency, urgency, vehicular reflux, congenital anomalies, studied prior to lower urinary tract surgery, any post-operative evaluation, any type of suspected trauma. In case of renal failure to exclude reflux, boys with hematuria like MCU can demonstrate posterior urethral valve or polyp, urethral stricture. In case of adult, there are some main indication like trauma, urethral stricture, any type of suspected urethral diverticula. Other indication like reflex neuropathy prior to renal transplant of one or both kidneys. We use contrast media like water soluble contrast media like Conrad 283 Trivvideo 400 mg. Urographin 60% are used, which is diluted with normal saline in 1:3 ratio. There are some material which required in the procedure MCU like betadine, lignocaine gel, 5 French, 8 French or 10 French polyethylene catheter, Conrad 280 or penile clamp, Conrad 280 contrast, and other penile clamp. In case of patient preparation in MCU, firstly we take written consent from patient, explain the procedure to patient, changing gown, means changing clothes and providing gown, take previous history, allergic history, and all over history from patient. The patient micturate prior to the examination. In case of preliminary film, we take a preliminary film of patient. Supine view of the bladder. Technique about MCU. Using a sterile technique, catheter is introduced into the bladder. When catheter enters in bladder, a varying amount of urine will flow through it. In girls, if no urine is obtained, the bladder may have been inserted into vagina. In males, the foreskin is retracted and catheter is introduced. Catheter should be lubricated with anesthetic jelly and inserted into urethra. Then contrast media is inserted. Technique about MCU. Normal bladder capacity in children is estimated in ounce. 1 ounce. 1 ounce is equal to 29 cc. In newborn 30 to 50 cc. From 3-year girl 200 to 250 cc. In boys up to 5 to 6 years 100 to 150 cc. Older boys 250 cc. In case of filming in children, during filming, fluoroscopic screen is performed at short interval. Then after filling, the child is turned oblique on both sides to ensure that minimal reflux is not overlooked. If reflux appears, films are taken in appropriate oblique projection. If bladder is normal, one film is frontal projection. After filling, then frontal film is taken at the end of voiding, including entire abdomen, to record the post-micturition residue. In case of adult male, voiding filming is done in both oblique projection. Patient to void against resistance, that is by compression or distal part of penis or by using a penile clamp. This is known as choke cystourethropy, which enhances the visualization of urethra by artificial distension. In case of adult female, double exposed film taken at rest and during straining demonstrate the degree of bladder descent. There are some complications and management about MCU, like infection due to catheterization of bladder. Antibiotics are prescribed. Adverse reaction, which may result from the absorption of contrast medium by the bladder mucosa. Then antibiotic and anti-inflammatory drugs are prescribed. Due to technique, acute urinary tract infection, we use antibiotics. Catheter trauma causing dysuria, frequency hematuria and urinary retention. Using proper material and good catheterization technique minimizes urethral trauma. Complication of bladder filling, like prevented by using a non-retaining catheter. Catheterization of vagina, retention of Foley catheter prevented by using non-retaining catheter. Radiation effect, like MCU is a diagnostic procedure that immediately exposes gonads or some to some radiation. It should be kept minimum as short as possible and tightly collimate the X-ray beam. These may show the normal and reflux of MCU. These may show the MCU. It is a complete duplication of urethra and lobulated filling defect. And duplex collecting system on left side. Thank you. Comment on this video, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.